What's up, guys? This is RoseGoes here for another vlog on the KTM. Yeah, my girlfriend's having all her friends over at the moment, and I'm kind of antisocial, so I thought I'd just go out and do a motor vlog for you guys. Yeah, dude, go out for a little explore, share / show off the new bike. Did any of you guys guess what it is? So I'll just find a spot and we'll pull over. Alright. Still recording. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, let's take a look at the bike. Did any of you guys guess it? What do you think? If you guessed a KTM EXC 450, you're wrong. It's a KTM EXC 525 2004 supermoto conversion. She's a little bit rough, but she rides well and she's so much fun. She needs a powder coat and new exhaust. What else? Bit of a cleanup. Yeah, she just needs a bit of a cleanup, really. And it's so much fun having a more powerful bike. And look how beautiful it is. Alright, let's take a photo for the interwebs. Thanks.
Selling it?
Sorry?
Selling it or just taking selfies?
I just recently bought it, so just
Recording right now.
Oh yeah, I got a GoPro.
She's not selling it. Oh well.
Do you ride?
Pardon me?
Do you ride?
I used to.
Oh, okay.
I had a you're probably too young to know this kind of bike, but when I was a kid I had a CR80.
No, I don't know.
It's a Honda motocross.
Two-stroke?
But yeah.
Yeah.
But it was rad. I broke my collarbone riding.
Oh,
and,
shit.
I never rode on the road. I was just dirt biker guy.
Yeah.
So I haven't ridden since then. I just think it's too dangerous.
Yeah. Fair enough.
And I'm kind of a speed freak, so it's like...
Yeah, it can be sketchy if you're like going really fast.
It's a sweet helmet.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm recording right now.
Yeah.
How do you ride? You off-road and stuff?
Yeah, I have dirt rims for this as well. Yeah.
Radical Mon.
Sorry?
Radical Mon.
Rad.
Have a good
Alright.
weekend.
Yeah, you too.
Be safe, alright?
See ya. Alright. Alright, hopefully got some good shots there. Okay. So, Hope you guys managed to guess it and didn't freaking cheat. I know one of you cheated. And I know one of you probably actually skipped forward in this video. And we're like, haha, I know what bike it is. Bloody cheaters. Ugh. Wow. So if you, oh my god, that dog is so cute. Oh. What kind of dog was that? Because it was like a, I know there's Swiss Shepherds, which are white, like white German Shepherds, but that one was black. Oh, it was so cute. Oh my gosh. Dang. So what was I saying? All right, let's go. Let's go this way, back towards home. Yeah, oh, cons for short people like me on dual sport or supermoto or dirt bike kind of style bikes is height, and it sucks. Like, it's not too bad. Like, I can touch 1 foot to the ground and I'm confident enough rider to be okay with that and not feel like I'm gonna drop the bike all the time. I've actually never dropped this bike or the other DRZ that I have. Yeah, so I'm oh shit, I took a wrong turn, didn't I? I don't know where I am. Okay, let's explore on the supermoto. Oh, so one thing I didn't tell you guys is this bike actually has it has track supermoto slicks on it at the moment, so it's actually pretty sketchy if I'm riding when it's wet or anything. So hopefully it doesn't rain or anything, otherwise we will have to head home. Trying to get those tires sorted out, but I need to sell the other bike for the moolah to spend on this baby. So when I sell the other bike, we will be getting new tires, a new exhaust, and I want to powder coat the frame as well, because that needs doing ASAP. Well, not ASAP, it doesn't need doing ASAP, and it doesn't necessarily need doing, but I'm fussy and I want my baby to look clean, and she's gonna. And I think the only con I have of this bike so far is that the front like steering can be quite unstable and wobbly, so I really want to sort out like a steering stabilizer at some stage, because I get some speed wobbles at high speed. Oh god, I've never driven along here before. Yeah, so that's the only issue I've had with this bike. When I first bought it, I actually got it for a really good deal because it had a loose bolt on the starter motor or clutch. I can't remember which, the starter clutch or something. So I got that sorted out and got it all road legal and everything, and that cost about $1,000 all up, but the price that I got the bike for was pretty good, so it ended up being no issues. So I was wondering if you guys think that I got the right bike. What do you think of the KTM 525 EXC? Good bike or no? I think it's a pretty good bike.